All right, today I'm going to show you the correct way to install your Soundstream 98-13 bat wing fairing radio. All right, the first step is we're going to remove the ignition switch. You're going to put your key in, and there's a little pin at the bottom of it that I'm going to press with a screwdriver that I can show you once it's out, but it's really hard to show you while it's in. All right, so now I'm going to push up on the pin from the bottom. Okay, with the pin pushed, rotate your key. And then on the 06 and older bikes, you turn it to the right and it slides right out. This is the detent that I was pushing on while I rotated the key. All right, now we're going to slide the radio in. Might have to spread the bars a little bit. And due to all the tolerancing that is different in all these mounts, sometimes you do have to bend this side bracket up a little bit on both sides just to make sure the radios line up perfectly. I have to do this for about 25% of the bikes that we do. Start threading your bolts back in. So now for the important part, for your ignition switch to clear, you actually have to pry the radio in before you tighten the bolts. If you do not do this step, your ignition switch will hit the front of your radio. All right, now we do the same on the other side. Twist your screwdriver until you can feel it have the gasket completely bottom out. Okay, so now to reinstall the ignition switch, drop it down in there, turn your key, and if you notice, I've got close to 1/4 of an inch of gap. All right, it's as simple as that to make sure that your radio doesn't interfere with your ignition switch whatsoever. Follow us for more great tips.